Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off green camera indicator on iPhone. Now, first to get this done, first thing I want to tell you is that we want to get rid of this green dot here at the top. And usually that happens when the camera is open or when something else has opened your camera. For example, in this case, I'm going to go ahead and check that out. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here and then go ahead and click this green here. And you can see that these are what is using my camera. So camera is being used by Instagram, microphone is being used by the system. And yeah, in order for us to turn that off, you want to go ahead and open the settings. I'm just going to go ahead and click here, settings. And then from the settings, click the search bar here and type here Instagram, because again, that's what was opening the camera. Go ahead and click this one right here. And you have the camera option right here, enable it. And then we can go back to the Instagram. And what's going to happen is that it's going to remove that anymore. So if you say, for example, accidentally open the camera, it's not going to open it directly. What you're going to do is that you'll have to go back to the settings in order for you to be able to access the camera. So it's going to lessen the chances of you opening your camera unexpectedly and having that green dot there at the top. And again, that's how you're going to turn off green camera indicator on your iPhone.